Okay, so we made it. They have Shilajit. I'm gonna see what else they have. Um, what are some other herbs you guys have?
This one, Jaga tinctures, blue lotus tinctures.
Okay. What does this one do?
It's like a dual extraction between alcohol and water. Extract like the chaga.
Okay.
Chaga mushroom.
And then the other one? The
Like
blue
blue
lotus?
lotus is like the blue lotus dual extract as well, like alcohol and water.
Alcohol and water?
Yeah.
So, like, what's the benefit? Like, when you take it, what does it do?
You can take it. We have this
I'll read it.
different
Yeah.
benefit. Just have in the
Yeah, let's see.
tinctures. Yeah.
So this is the blue lotus. It mood, deepens meditation, deepens your love making, connection, anxiety, helps with sleeps and dreams. Okay. Okay. And then how much is this one?
1,430,000.
Okay. Can I get two?
So that
Yeah.
2.8.
Okay. And then I know it comes like a little piece and you put it in water and you stir it or
Yeah, no, like that. Or you can mix it. You have like tea or whatever.
tea or
It's
okay.
in there.
Okay.
It's good.
Alright, so the Shilajit is known as the great destroyer or destroyer of all weaknesses. With the chemical onslaught we all are subjected to in the air and water, it arises a daily stressor. Everyone,
Spin or shine?
sign. Both okay. Sugar complex, treat mental and physical conditions locally for thousands of years. I'm gonna try to put that on the screen for you to see, but essentially the best way to explain what I've been seeing, thank you, what I've been seeing online is it pretty much helps with anything that you're out of balance with. Like, so in my case, it'll help testosterone production, muscle repair, and some other things. So I just said, why not try it out? Can I get a bag, please? Definitely willing to try it. Thank you. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. They're known to have like really good food here, but I'm on the way to a massage, so for myself, this is a meditation manual. For myself, it doesn't make any sense to do that right now. But I got a lot of. I need to try to go find me a coconut too. Thank you. Look at that menu. They had a pasta. Yeah, that'd be nice to swing by. Calzone, banana curry. Oh, I'm not even showing you the menu. I'm reading. It's like legitimately raining. And I took literally about an hour and 45 minutes to get here. So I booked a massage nearby. I'm going to start heading to that. Yeah, because I need to see how far that is from here. If I have some time, I might stop by and get like a smoothie and a watermelon. I mean, a smoothie and a coconut, just to kind of rehydrate myself. And then just go early at my appointment. I'm gonna sit here just for a second and get myself acclimated, and then we'll get back to you guys in a second. I made it to my massage. This place is beautiful. Thank you. This way?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Second floor.
Okay.
Just going all the way down. Second floor on the left side.
Alrighty. This is most definitely a Johan kind of place. I'm just hoping that the massage is thorough. I like some hard work. Really hoping that my shoulder and my lower back started hurting on the bike ride. Like an hour and a half, 2 hours in, so we'll see. Hello. I have a 6:30 appointment. Yes. Through class pass?
Are you just sleeping or something?
No. I booked a little bit earlier today.
Can I see the
Sure.
reservation confirmation? Is that I just back tomorrow or how is it? Oh, okay. Yeah,
You have it?
oh yeah, we just. Oh, it's just. Oh yeah, we just received it. The patient massage.
Yes.
Okay. So we can do the massage. You can have a seat.
Thank you. Oh, feels good to sit and not be on the scooter. This place is pretty cool, though. I really want to get out these black clothes and open. I'm looking at some people getting massages right now, and they're black clothes. Hoping this is legit. It's legit. Before leaving the juice bar I was just at, I ended up getting another liter of coconut water because the coconut water was so slight. I gotta give it to them. They know how to pick these coconuts, you know how to put them in the coconut water and then making sure it's nice and cold. And then I got some celery juice or water, whatever you want to call it.
So you can fill the form here.
Okay, yes.
So you can record it here.
Thank you.
And get you the drink.
All right, thank you so much. All right, let me fill out this form, and then I'll ask to see if I can film, and then we'll go from there.